Today we're going to learn how to make a slideshow using Google Slides. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser and type Google into your search bar. Once it brings you to the Google homepage, you want to make sure that you're signed into your account using the top right button so that you can save your presentation to your Google Drive and you can access it and edit it at a later date. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over to the left just a little bit to the 3x3 grid and we'll click on that. We will then choose the slides button on the bottom left that's in yellow. This will then bring you to the Google Slides template gallery. Here you can choose multiple projects to work on, but today we're going to choose a blank template. So this will then bring you to the blank template of your presentation. Once this loads, the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to the top left where it says Untitled Presentation. Once you see that, you'll click in that box and you'll title your presentation. This is what your project will be saved as to your Google Drive account. So then we'll hit enter and it will automatically save. The next thing we want to do is we want to go over to the right side of the screen where it says Themes. So we'll scroll through and we can choose any theme that we like. Once we choose a theme, it will automatically be applied to the rest of our slides in the presentation. So then you will go and you'll click the close button. Next, we're going to add a title. So right here where it says click to add title, we're going to click right in the middle and we're going to add a title. Once you add a title, you can then add a subtitle. You can edit this text to whatever you want it to be. Today we'll add the presenter's name. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add a new slide. In order to do that, you want to go to the top left part of the screen under File, and you're going to click on the plus sign or New Slide button. Once you click on that, it will then automatically bring you to the new slide. So then the new slide will prompt you to add title and text. So you'll click just like we did before, click in the middle and add a new title. You'll then click on the bottom text box to add the text about anything you want it to be. Once you're done with that, if you notice the toolbar on the top, if you are familiar with Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you should be fairly familiar with the same tools that are used here to edit the text in any way. So the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our slides are visually appealing. So we're going to go to the top part above the toolbar and we're going to click Insert. Once we click Insert, we're going to move down and we're going to click Image because we're going to add an image to our slide. There's multiple ways that you can add an image to your slide. You can upload it from your computer, you can take a snapshot. As you can see, there's many different ways. Today, what I find easiest, we're going to use the search button. So we're going to go to the left or to the right and we're going to click Search. Once we click Search, we're going to type in what we want our picture to be and we're going to click either Enter or the search button. Once you do that, you will then scroll through and choose any photo that you like. Once you find a photo that you like to use, you'll click on it and it will highlight in blue. Then you can click Select and it will automatically add it to your slide. Once it's added to your slide, it is usually a little large, so you would want to edit it so that you can see the text. You can make it bigger or smaller using the arrows in the corner. And using the arrow in the center, you can move it anywhere you like on the slide. Once you find a place that you like, leave it there and it will automatically be saved. Using Google Slideshow, you can make as many slides as you want. You would just repeat the same task by adding a slide, adding a title, and adding the text and anything else that you want. So that is a quick way of learning how to make a Google Slideshow using Google Slides. Thank you.